Dear students, today our discussion is RRB Office Assistant Mains Grand Test 20 Quantitative Aptitude section. Let's see the questions. Here the first one. The first one is mentioned caselet DA. Its caselet DA is totally, it belongs to Venn diagram base. That's purpose we require some space. The space I am taking. So based on this value, we have to solve the question. In society, there are X peoples are there. How many peoples? X people. The X peoples is belongs to males and females. Total value. And everyone in the society likes least of the two activities: jogging and morning. Okay, jogging and running. Sorry, jogging and running. Jogging and running, two activities they are doing out of X peoples. And jogging also contains some members males, some members females. And running is also contains some members males, some members females. Here, jogging and running. Based on that, we have to create a Venn diagram for males and females. Here the first Venn diagram for males and second Venn diagram for females. Okay, this is for jogging and this is for running circle, and this is for jogging and this is for running. Here, look at the data. Jogging and running, the number of males who like both activities is 120. Who like both activities is how many members? 120. 120 members are like both activities like jogging and running. The ratio of the number of males who like only jogging to the number of males who like only running is 5:3. 5:3 means it is 5y, it is 3y. Here is y cancel. What is the ratio? 5:3 clearly. Next, number of females who like jogging is 500% more than the number of females who like only running. Only running is assume it Z. Only running assume it Z. Comparing to Z, the jogging value is how much? How much percentage more? 500% more. Originally is 100%. Comparing to 100%, 500% more means overall is 600. 600% of Z means you can take 6Z. You can take 6Z clearly. Next. While number of females who like both the activities is 200% more than the number of females who like only running. Number of females who like only running. Only running is how many members? Z I already assumed. Based on this, 200% more means it is the 300%. It is becomes 3Z. It becomes 3Z. Next, number of males who like running is 270. Number of members who like running is how many members? 270. In this 270, 120 will be completed means this 3y is equal to how much? 150. 3y is equal to 150, then y is equal to 50. 3 into 50 is equal to 150, then y is equal to what is the value? 50. The same value we have to substitute here into 50. Then 50 5 is equal to 250 members. That means total here only jogging members are 250. Both jogging and running males belongs to 120. Only running males is 150. Then added the value. This 250 plus 150, 400, 400 plus 120. Here the how many members? 520 males are there. How many members males are there? 520 males. Out of that, total jogging members are how many members? How many members are doing jogging? 250 plus 120, it is a 370. How many members? 370. Here the 370, here the 270, and males are 520. And coming to the female section also. Then number of females who like both activities is 30 more than the number of males who like both activities. Then male who like both activities 120. Comparing to 120, this 3Z is equal to how many members more? 30 more. 30 more means it is becoming how much? 150. 3Z is equal to 150 means 1Z is equal to how much? 50. Then this Z value we can write how many members? 50. Okay. 150 plus 50, then total runners value is how many members? 200 members. Okay. Already Z value 50 will be generated, then 6Z also we can derive, then 6 into 50 is equal to 300. Female side jogging is how many members are going? 300 members. In this combination section is belongs to 150 na, then alone jogging members from the female side is how many members? 150. These values you can add it. Then 150, here the 150, here the 150, 300, 300 plus 50, 300 plus 50 is equal to how many members? 350 members. How many members? 350 members. Female side 350 members are there. Male side how many members are there? 520 members are there. It is a male side, it is a female side. Female side is how many members are? 350 and male side 520 members are there. Then look at the questions. Now every data is available. Now look at the question. Question side, find the value of x. Find the value of x. Find the value of x is equal to what? Males plus females. All values are required with including jogging and running. Males and females total value is required. Males is 520, females are 350. 350 plus 520 is equal total values how many members? Option C, 870 members. Then as it is, look at the next question for the same data. Then data values are already represented here. No need to look at the data now. Look at the questions directly. Find the total number of people who like both the activities. Who like both the activities without mentioning any gender. Look at 120 members are male side, 150 members are female side. 150 plus 120, how many members? 270 members. Then 270 members means option B. They are not mentioned male and female. You can club the both the values. Here the 120 both, 150 both. 150 plus 120, 270. Option B. Next. The number of people who like only jogging is, the number of people who like only jogging is what percentage? Who like only jogging means male side jogging members are 250, female side jogging members are 150. 250 plus 150, how many members? 400. 400 is what percentage more or less than the total number of females? Total number of females is how many members? 350. Okay, 350. Here 400 is more than 350. How much more? 50 more. Comparing to 350, we need percentage multiply with 100. 51 ja, 57 ja. 1 by 7 is equal to how much percentage? 14.28 percentage. Then 14.28 percentage means option B. Next, find the number of people who like only running. Find the number of people who like only running. Who like only running means how many number of people are there? Then here the running wise, how many number of people are there? 270. Here the running wise how many members? 200. Find the number of people who like only running. Clearly mention only running. Only running means here 150 members, here is 50 members. Here is 150, here is 50. This section only running. Here the 50 members, here the 150 members. Total 200 members. 200 members means option B. Next. Find the difference between the number of males and females in the society. Then males are 520, females are 350. 520 to 350 difference is how much? Is how much? Here males. Find the difference between number of males and females clearly. Males is 520 and females are 350. 520 to 350 difference is required. Okay. 350 plus 150, it is a 500. 150 plus 20, 170. 170 is the difference is required. Then answer is none of this. Yeah, next we have a questions 166 to 170 pie chart based questions. The data given below shows the speed of 5 people in a car race. Car race we have a, there is a, how many persons are there? 5 persons are there. We'll start from point A and finish at point B. Distance between A and B is how many kilometers? 300 kilometers. The speed is given kmph. The speed is given a kmph. All the 5 persons speed is mentioned. Based on this we have to solve the question directly, and remember it, each person is covering a 300 kilometers. As per the data they are mentioned clearly, each person is, distance between A and B is how many kilometers? 300 kilometers. Each person is covered 300 kilometers clearly. Then look at the question. The question was, what is the ratio of the time taken by Adil and Beena together to reach point B2 from A to that David and Ishwar together to cover the same distance? So first Adil will be cover 300 kilometers. Next person is also cover 300 kilometers. Then Adil will be take, what is the speed? 120 kmph. And next here Beena will be take 150 kmph plus here second also same distance, clearly mentioned same distance. Here the 300 kilometers, here is also 300 kilometers. This 300, first 300 kilometers covered by David. David's speed is 180. Next Ishwar speed is 100. Okay, cancel the terms here. Here 300 will be cancelled. Here 0 will be also going to cancel. Then 15 into 1, 15, 12 into 1, 12. 12 plus 15, it is a 27 by 12 into 15. And next Here 10 into 1 10, 18 into 1 18, 18 plus 10 is equal to 28 by 18 into 10. 12 into 15 is equal to 180, 18 into 10 is also equal to 180. 180 will be cancelled, then ratio is what? 27 is to 28. 27 is to 28 means option A is the correct. Next, what is the average speed of all the 5 car race drivers? All the 5 cars we have to add it. 180 plus 120 300, 100 plus 150 it is the 250, 250 plus 90 it is the 340, 340 plus 300 640. Total all the speeds are belongs to how many kilometers? How many kmph? 640. 640 by how many number of persons are there? 5 persons. 640 by 5. It is equal to how many kmph? 128 kmph. 128 kmph is option C. Next, what will be the difference between time taken by Beena and Catherine if the distance increased to 330 kilometers? Now, initially they are mentioned as per the data 300, but clearly now it is there mentioned 330 kilometers. 330 kilometers. Then Catherine will take how many kmph? 90 kmph. Next, Beena will be take how many kmph? 150 kmph. Okay. Then we have to take a difference. Difference purpose common terms. Here is what you can observe this options. All are options in a minutes. Okay. First of all, 330 will be take a common. Okay. 150 minus 90 by 150 minus 90 value 60. 90 into 150 and this value will be getting as a hours. Every 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? 60 minutes. How many minutes? 60 minutes. When you are multiplying 60, will get a clear. Then cancel the terms. 30 3s are 30. 3s is 90. 30 1s is 30. 30 1s. Okay, 0 0 will be cancelled. 3 11s are 3 3s. Next, here 3 2. Here 60. How many times? 2 times. And here 0 0 will be cancelled. And next, 150 minus 90 is equal to 60. 15 to 60 4 times. 4 2s is 8. 8 into 11 is equal to total is how many minutes? 88 minutes. 88 minutes is option D. Next, what will be the average speed if one person's speed with 200 kmph is also included? Already we know that 5 members all the value is 640 plus extra how many members? 1 members is added. Now it is becoming how many members? 6 members average speed. 640 plus 200 it is equal to 840. 845 by 6. 845 by 6 value is 140. Option B. Next, the difference between the speed of David and Catherine is what percentage of Beena? David and Catherine. David is 180, Catherine is 90. Difference between these two is how many kmph? 90. Is what percentage of Beena speed? Beena speed is how much? 150. 90 by 150 we need a percentage, multiply with a 100. 50, here the value is how many times? Here 0 0 will be cancelled. 15 to 90 how many times? 6 times. 16 to 10 is equal to how much percentage? 60%. Option C. Yes, the data is completed. Next we have a case study. Based on this case study we have to solve. Then first of all we have to simplify this case study. Later on we will come into the questions wise. Look at an island called Madagascar. Only 2 tribes are there, Miha and Ruka. Two tribes are there. The population Miha is 50% more than that of Ruka. That means here is 2 parts, means here is how many parts? 3 parts. Here is 3 parts, here is 2 parts. Okay, 50% more. Here is 100% means here is a 150%. Okay, we can write here 3 parts and here is how many parts? 2 parts. Okay. On the island, the ratio of males to females ratio is what? 11:9. Male to female ratio is 11:9. 11:9. Male and female ratio. In this content male and female, in this content male and female, then both the male and female total ratio is what? 11:9. Okay. And the Raku tribe, the Ruka tribe, the number of females is 40% less than that of the male population. Here is particularly Ruka is also contain male and females. Okay, then how much percentage less? 40% is less than that of male population. Male population assume it 100%, then female population became 60%. 25 and 23. Then male to female ratio is what is the ratio? 5:3. Next, here the Miha tribe 40% is less than population, and in the Miha tribe the male population are equal to the female population. Male population is equal to the female population. Male and female, the ratio is what is the ratio? 1:1. Okay. The total number of female population in a Raku tribe is how many members? 1200. Here is 3 parts is equal to 1200. 3 into 400. Okay. 3 parts is equal to 1200. Then 5 parts is equal to how much? Here 3, 5. 5 fours are values 2000. 5 fours are values how much? 2000. Here 2000 plus 1200. Here the value, the total number of female population in the Raku tribe is 1200. Then 3 parts is equal to 1200, 5 parts is equal to 2000. 2000 plus 1200 overall is how many parts? Here 3200. It is equal to 3200. 3200, it is a multiple of 1600. Here is also multiple of 1600. When you are multiplying 1600, it is becoming 4800. It is 4800 in this Miha tribe. Total value is 4800. Male to female ratio is 1:1, means it is becoming 2400, and it is also 2400. Okay. Now look at, then here the Miha males are 2400, Ruka males are 2000. 2000 plus 2400, it is a total males. Total males in a 2 tribes. It is a how many members? 4400. This is belongs to males. And as it is females, females was 2400 plus 1200, it is a 3600. This is belongs to females total. And observe that 0000 cancel, 44 and 36 both will be cancelled with 4. 4 11s are 4 9s are. 4 11s are 4 9s means ratio you will get 11:9. Already we have 11:9. Exactly it is a matches. That means whatever the data we calculate exactly correct. Then we'll go for the question. What is the ratio of total population of the island to the total population of island? Total population of island, males are 4400, females are 3600, overall is 8000. Total population is how many people? 8000 ratio to total male population of Miha tribe. Male population Miha tribe is how much? 2400. 2400. 0000 cancel, and both the terms will be cancelled with 8. 8 10s and 8 3s. The ratio is what is the ratio? 10:3. Option A. Next, for the same data, next question. What is the total number of male population on island? Total male population required means we have to consider the first tribe and second tribe. This is about the first tribe, and this is about first tribe and second tribe. First tribe male value 2400. Second tribe male value is 2000. Total value is 4400. Option B. Next, in island, the total number of male population is, total male population is how much? 4400. Is how much more than the that of female population? Female population is total 4400 to 3600. Difference is what? 400 plus 400, it is a 800. Option C. Next, 20% of the total population of island are below 18. Then total how many of the people above 18? Then total population is 8000, already we know. In this 20% is below 18 means above 18 purpose we can take 80%, and 8 is 64. 64. Option D. Next, the total number of female population in a Miha tribe is, total number of female population in a Miha tribe. Miha tribe is total population is females is what? 2400. Is how much percentage more than that of the Raku tribe? This is Ruka tribe or Raku tribe. It is a 1200. 2400 to 1200 difference is what? 1200. 1200. The total number of female population in a Miha tribe is how much percentage more? Basically number wise 1200 more, and comparing to 1200, we need percentage multiply with 100. 1200, 12 means it is equal to 100%. Option none of the above. Next, we have a different data. Based on this, we have to solve the questions. Study the following graph and table carefully and answer the given question. Number of players participated from school A and school B in 2 different years, 5 different games. Okay, 5 different games mentioned: cricket, football, hockey, badminton, skating. We have to note it these values. Cricket and football, and next one is hockey, next one is badminton, and next one is skating. Here cricket is, and 2015 2016 there are 2 years are there. Here the 2015 and next one is belongs to 2016. In 2015 how many members are there? 40 members. Here is 40 members are there. Okay, and 2016 is contain how many members? Here first of all note down the 2015 40 and 60 and 50 60 80 50 60 80. Next 2016 60 40 60 40 20 30 50 30 50. Okay, this is about 2016, this is about 2015. Cricket, football, hockey, badminton, skating. Okay, 5 games are there. Now there is another data. Table represents the ratio of players from school A and school B in different games. Okay, school A and school B in different games. In 2015 school A school B is there, in 2016 school A school B is there, and cricket is a school A wise how many members are playing? 1, and school B wise how much? 1. That means here is 1:1 means here is A school and B school. A school, B school, this is a 40 you can separate into 20 and 20. Clearly mentioned 1:1. That means 1:1 means nothing but equality. Then 20 plus 20 is equal, total value is what? 40. Here is becomes A value and B value. A school become 30 and B school is become what? 30. As it is, we have to separate the remaining value also. 2:3. 2:3 means it is a 2 plus 3 is equal to how many parts? 5 parts. 5 parts is equal to 12. 5 parts is equal to 12. 5 parts is equal to 12 means 1 part is equal to what? Sorry. 5 parts is equal to 60 means 1 part is equal to 12. 12 2 is 24. 12 3 is 36. And as it is same, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 parts. 5 parts is equal to 40 means 1 part is equal to 80. 8 2 is 16. 8 3 is 24. This is total value. This is total value. This is also total value. Next 50. 50 we have to separate in the ratio of 3:2. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 parts. 5 parts is equal to 50 means 3 parts is equal to 30. Then 2 parts is equal to 20. Then as it is 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 parts. 5 parts is equal to 20 means 1 part is equal to 4. 4 3 is 12 and 4 2 is 8. And as it is 1:4. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. 5 parts is equal to 60 means 1 part is equal to 12. 12 1 is 12. 12 4 is 48. Next as it is 1:1. It's a 1:4. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. 5 parts is equal to 30 means 1 part is equal to 6. 6 1 is 6 4 is 24. Okay. This is the first one is A, second one is B. And here also A, B, A, B. Next, here 1 plus 1. It is the 1 plus 1 means total is 2 parts. Here is 40 and here is also 40. Here is 25, comma 25. Okay. Now we have to separate. First line is belongs to A school, B school for 2015, A school, B school for 2016. Okay. Once we have a table and directly we will go for the question. No need to check the data again and again. Okay. Look at the first question. The first question was number of players participated in hockey from school A in 2016 was. Okay. School A in 2016 was. School A in 2016 is how many members? School A 2016 12 members. Number of players participated in hockey from school A. Hockey from school A is how many members? 12 members. Was what percentage of players participated in the same game from school B in the same year? Then 8, 12 by 8, 12 by 8 into 100. Okay. 4 3s and 4 2s. 3 by 2 is equal to 150% is clearly option C. Next. The total number of players who participated in cricket from both the schools together in 2015 and 2016. 2015 and 2016 means 40 plus 60 total is 100 members. Okay. Here the 40 members are played. Here the both the schools means nothing but you can take totally 60 plus 40 is 100. Was what percentage of total number of players from school B who participated in a skating 2016. Skating 2016 total number of players is how much? 50. We need percentage multiply with 100. Here is 50. How many times? 2 times 2 into 100 is equal to how much percentage? 200% is option A. Next. What was the average number of players who participated in 2015 overall the games? What was the average number of players who participated in 2015 overall the games? 2015 all the games value is required. Here 60 plus 40 is 100, 50 plus 60 is equal to 110, 110 plus 8 is equal to 190, 190 plus 100 is equal to 290. 290 by 5. Here the value is 290 by 5. 5 5 is 25, remaining is 40, 5 8. It is the value is 58, option D. Next. What was the percentage decrease in a number of players participating in a badminton from 2000 school A1 in the year 2016? School A, here particularly they are asking what is the sports? Badminton. Badminton school A is a how many members? 6 members. This is a 6 members. In the year 2016 as comparing to that year 2015, here the 12 members. 12 members become a 6 members means how much decreased? 50% members will be decreased here. 12 became a 6. That means here the 12 became a 6 means 6 members are decreased comparing to 12. Then 6 by 12 into 100. 12 to 6 is how many members? 6 members are decreased comparing to previous year. Then answer is 50%. 6 by 12 is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is equal to 50%. Find the ratio between the number of players participated in cricket, football from school A in 2015. School A in 2015 cricket and next to football. Cricket and football means 20 plus 24 is equal to 44 ratio 2, and the number of players participated in hockey and badminton. Number of players participated in hockey and badminton 2015 from school B. It is a 20 plus 40 is equal to 68, and both will be cancelled with 4 11s and 4 7s. Then final ratio is 11 is to 17, option B. Yes, next we have a different question. The miscellaneous, the data is completed. Next we have to focus this data. A container contains 48 liters of mixture of milk and water mixed in the ratio 5:2 respectively. 21 liters of mixture is taken out from container A and poured into container B having a milk and water in the respective ratio of 4:3. If the total quantity of milk in the container B becomes 51 liters, then find the quantity of mixture in container B initially. They are asking for not finally, initially they are asking. Initially container B is contained. What is the ratio? 4:3. Milk is 4 parts, water is 3 parts means total is how many parts? 7 parts. Then which number is completely divisible by 7 means option B. Okay, directly we will say which number is completely divisible by 4 plus 3 7 parts. Then answer is what? 63. Okay, this is one of the direct procedure to finding an answer. Other than that, you can take the values from the overall value also you can calculate. Container B 48 liters are there. Out of 48 liters you are taking how many liters? 21 liters. Out of 21 liters, okay, milk and water ratio is what is the ratio? 5:2. In this milk portion is 5 parts out of 7 parts. Out of 7 parts. 7 how many times? 3 times. 5 3 is equal to how many liters? 15 liters. 15 liters is belongs to milk. And poured into container B having a milk and water in the respective ratio. What is the ratio? 4:3. If the total quantity of milk in a container becomes how many liters? 51 liters. How many liters? 51 liters. Then find the quantity of mixture in container B initially. Here this is a milk value. This is a milk value. Then 51 liters of milk. Then finally after the adding a 15. Then 51 minus 15 is equal to how much? 36 liters. How many liters? 36 liters. Then 36 liters. This 36 liters is equal to 4 parts is equal to how many times? 9 times. Okay. Then this is the only milk. This is belongs to milk. But also we required water also. Then here is 3 9 is equal to 27. This both will be added. That is our answer. How many liters are there? 63 liters are there. Here from 51 liters, 15 liters removed, they will get 36 liters. This 36 liters belongs to B initial quantity of milk. B initial quantity of milk is how many liters? 36 liters. Then milk is how many parts here? 4 parts. 4 parts is equal to 36 means then 3 parts is equal to how many liters? 27 liters. 27 plus 36 total is equal to how many liters initially? 63 liters before adding a 21 liters. Then option is what? B. Next, A and B alone can complete a work in 24 and 48 days respectively. 50% of work is completed by C in 3x days and the remaining work is completed by A and B working together in how many days? X days. Then first of all, A plus B both will be completed a work in how many days? How many days? 24 into 48 by 24 plus 48. 24 1s are 24 1s are and 24 2s are. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 48 by 3 is equal to how many days? 16 days. 16 days is belongs to how much percentage work? 100% work. But as per the statement, 50% is work done by C. in how many days? 3x days. Okay. Remaining 50% work is done by A and B together. That means remaining 50% work is done by how many days? 8 days. Okay. Because A plus B both will be completed full work in how many days? 16 days means then x days is equal to how much? 8 days, because it is only 50% work. X is equal to 8 means then 3x is equal to how much? Here the 24. Here is how many days? 24. C alone will be complete. C alone will be complete a full work in how many days? 48 days. Because C is also completing 50% work in 24 days means full work in how many days? 48 days. B alone will be complete a full work in how many days? 48 days. Okay. Then both together complete a work in how many days? If the two persons are contain same number, then half of the same number is the answer is belongs to both complete the work. Then 48 half value is 24, option C. Next, find the total number of ways. Find the total number of ways of arranging the letters of the word Australia such that all the vowels always come together. All the vowels come together means what we can do here? S, T, R, L. Remaining all the values A, U, A, L, I, A. Okay. These are all belongs to, here is the overall how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. S, T, R, L completed. S, T, R and L completed. A, U, A, I, A. A, U, A, I, A. L is already written, not required. Now, all the vowels come together. All the vowels come together means all the vowels you have to write in one box. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This box also you can consider one letter. Overall it is becoming how many letters? 5 letters. 5 times can be shuffled. 5 factorial. Inside box also the 5 letters can be arranged themselves. That is the 5 factorial. By A, how many times? 3 times. That is the repeated letters purpose. We can write denominator 3 factorial. 5 factorial value is 120. 5 factorial value is 120. 3 factorial value is 6. 6, 20 is the 12 to the value is 24. That means how many ways we can write this when we vowels come together means 2400 ways, option D. Next, daily wages of A is 4/5 of the daily wages A and B. A value is 4 and B value is 5. Okay. Next, and daily wages of C is 3/2 of the daily wages of A. 3/2 of A. 3/2 of 4 means 2 to 4, 4, 3, 2 3 is equal to 6. 4 is to 5 is to 6. Okay. We can write final ratio. 3/2 into A. 3/2 into A means A value is what? 4. 3/2 into 4. 2 to 4, 2 times 2 3 is 6. A value, B value, C value, we have a ratio 4 is to 5 is to 6. Then we have to distribute the values. Then find the daily wage of B. 4 plus 6 value 10. 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. 15 parts. 15 parts is equal to here. Then ABC daily average. This is value is what? Average. Then 3000 is the average means then 15 parts is equal to 9000 will be get. Okay. Because into 3 also. This is the average. Average persons of the 3 persons. 3 persons average value 3000 means then total 3 persons 3 into 3 is equal to 9000. Then total 15 parts is equal to 9000. That is how many times? 15 6 is 90 and 2 zeros. Then as it is we have to calculate the daily wages of B. B is equal to also we should multiply 6. 5 into 600 is equal to how much rupees? 3000 rupees, option B. Next, A and B started a business together, invested of 2400 and 3600 respectively. After the 4 months, C joined with an investment of 25% more than the investment of A. A invested and B invested and C invested. A invested with 2400, B invested with 3600 and C invested after the 4 months. After the 4 months, C joined with the investment of how much percentage more? 25% more investment than whom? A. Comparing to A, 2400 more. Then 2400 half value 1200, 1200 half value 600. 600 is the 25% of 2400. 2400 plus 600, it is a 3000. Okay. If after a year they received a total profit, every person's investment is 1 year except to C. Because C joined after the 4 months means his investment becoming 8 months only. Okay. Now we have to receive the what was the profit of B. Okay. We have to receive the total profit of 5000. Out of the 5000 we have to share to whom? B. Cancel the terms. 4 3s and 00. 4 3s and 00. 4 2s and 00. Okay. 24, 36 and 30 and 2 is there. These terms will be cancelled with again here the 2 are what is the number will be cancelled? Cancel with 3. Here I am cancelling with 3. Here 3 cancel. Here is 3 cancel. And here is how many times? 3 10 times. 3 10 times. 24, 36 and 20. Okay. Here 24 and 36 and 20. 24 plus 36 value is 60. 60 plus 20 is equal to 80. 80 parts is equal to how much? 5000. Other than you can cancel these values also. 24 and 36 and 20. All the terms cancel with 4. 4 how many times? 4 6 and 4 9 and 4 5. Okay. Then here 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. 11 plus 9 is equal to 20. Total parts is equal to 20. Then find the profit share of whom? B. 9 by 20 into 5000. Here 0 0 will be cancelled. 2 how many times? 250 times. 25 9 ja. 25 10 ja 250. 25 9 ja value is 225. 225 extra 0. Then final share of the B is equal to 2250. Option A. Next. It is a somewhat different question. The downstream speed boat is 12 kmph more than the upstream speed. Okay. Downstream speed is upstream speed. How much more? 12 kmph. And downstream minus upstream by 2 is equal to how many kmph? 6 kmph. But we know the one formula. CS is equal to current speed is equal to downstream minus upstream by 2. That means current speed is how many kmph now? 6 kmph. Directly current speed is, water speed is 6 kmph. Now boat can travel 180 kilometers in how many hours? 7.5 hours. Now we have to calculate boat speed. 180 by 7.5. Okay. 15 to 180 12 times. 15 to 180 12 times. Then 7.5 to 180 how many times? 24 times. Then 24 kilometer per hour. 24 kilometer per hour is the boat speed. Current speed is 6 kilometer per hour. If we need downstream speed, means both will be added. 24 plus 6 is equal to 30 kmph. If we need upstream speed is equal to 24 minus 6. 24 minus 6 means it is becoming how many kmph? 18 kmph. Now every term of the speed is available now. Here is boat speed is available, current speed is available, downstream speed is available, upstream speed is be also available there. Next, which of the following option will be blanks in the same order which is given? Make the statement true. Look at, find the time taken by the boat travel 360 kilometers. Look at the statements. First statement 360 kilometers. Next how many kilometers? 240 kilometers. First 360 kilometers is covered in downstream, means speed is becoming 30, and here is also what? 30, because first downstream, second is also downstream. Cancel the value 0 0 0 0 will be cancelled. 24 by 3 is equal to 8 plus 36 by 3 is equal to 12. 12 plus 8 is equal to 20 only, but not 28. Total journey time should be required 28, but they are given 20, means the statement 1 is wrong. And coming to the second statement, 360 by 30 plus 240 by 18, because upstream speed is become how much? 18. Now solve the values. Here 0 0 will be cancelled. 3 to 36 how many times? 12 times. Here 6 3 za and 6 4 za. 40 by 3 you will get, it is equal to 13 1 by 3. 13 1 by 3 plus 12, it is not equal to 28 kmph. Then this is also wrong. Coming to the third statement. Third statement wise, 360, how much? First upstream case. Upstream case means it is a 18 plus second downstream 240 kilometers is covered at a 30 kmph, and 18 to 360 20 times, 30 to 240 how many times? 8 times. 20 plus 8 is equal to 28 kmph. LH is equal to RHS. Then which statement is correct? Third statement is exactly correct. Third statement is wise. First blank will be filled by upstream, second blank will be filled by downstream. And check the fourth statement also. Here is 360 by upstream 18 plus 240 by 18. Already we did it. 240 by 8 is equal, you will get 40 by 3. You will get number, a fraction you will get. It is a 40 by 3, it is a 20. 20 plus 40 by 3 is equal to 33 1 by 3 you will get. It is also not equal to 28. That means for the filling the blanks purpose, only one statement is possible. The statement is what? Third statement. Then only 3. Next, the respective ratio age of Vishal 4 years ago to the age of Shankar 4 years hence is 1:2. we can convert Vishal and Shankar present. Vishal and Shankar present means this is we can consider x and this is you can consider 2x. And first line they mention Vishal 4 years ago. Vishal 4 years ago value x means present is what? X plus 4. Next, Shankar age is 4 years after 2 parts means 4 years back means it is a 2x minus 4. These both are in a present case. Next line, the ratio of present age of Vishal to the present age of Shruti. Shruti age is, what is the ratio? 4:3. What is the ratio? 4:3. Vishal to Shruti is 4:3. If the average present age of Shankar and Shruti, Shankar plus Shruti is equal to 27 years. 27 years is the average. But total value is how many years? 54 years. 54 years. Now Shankar value I have to substitute. Shankar value is how much? 2x minus 4. 2x minus 4. Plus Shruti value is required with reference of Vishal. Then Vishal have a how many parts? 4 parts. These 4 parts we can write 1:3/4. 1:3/4. But Vishal have a how much part? 6x plus 4. Here is x plus 4 is multiplied. Here is also x plus 4 will be multiplied. One part is equal to x plus 4. 3/4 part is equal to how much part? Then how much value? 3/4 into x plus 4. 3/4 into x plus 4 is equal to 54 years. Is equal to 54 years. And multiply the values. This 3/4 minus 4 is coming to the here 3/4 multiply 2x minus 4. Minus 4 is coming to the right side. It is become a plus 50. What is the value? 58. 58. And next 3/4 will be multiplied plus 3x by 4 and here 3/4 into 4. 3/4 into 4 is equal to 3. 3 will be removing from the minus 4 plus 3. This 3/4 is multiplying to 4. 4 will be cancelled. It is become a 3. Minus 4 plus 3 is become minus 1 only. Minus 1 is equal to 54. From this we can write 4 into 2 value is 8. 8x plus 3x is equal to 11x. 11x by 4 is equal to minus 1 is coming to right side plus 1. It is a 55. 11 to 55 5 times. Then x is equal to, you will get what is the value? 20. Once you know the x value, now you can calculate whose is required. Then present age of Shruti. Present age of Shruti is required. Present age of Shruti is how much? Here the 3/4 of x plus 4. Shruti age is how much? 2x minus 4. Otherwise Shruti age is 3/4 of x plus 4. 3/4 of x plus 4. This is belongs to Shruti's age. Then we should calculate 3/4 of x plus 4. X value is 20. Then 3/4 of 20 plus 4. 20 plus 4 value 24. 4 to 24 how many times? Here the 6 times. 6 3 is 18 years. Option D. Option D is the correct. Next. Amit bought an article for 1500 rupees. He is 1500 rupees and marked above 24% is above the cost price. This CP. Now we required cost price. How much percentage above? 24% is above. Okay. 24% is of 1500. How much rupees? Then 1500 into 24%. We can change into 1500. I can change into 3000 and 24% I can change into 12%. 12 3s is equal to how much? 360 and percentage wise 2 zeros will be going to cancel. Then finally 12% of 3000 is equal to 360. 1500 of 24% is also equal to 360. Then CP is 1500 means MP is becoming how much? 1860. Okay. Now SP. SP value is bit. Then he makes the profit of how much rupees? 120. In 1500 120 rupees the profit means then selling price became how much? 1620. Selling price became how much? 1620. Here increased by 360 rupees and given discount. This is increased by how much rupees? 360 rupees marked above. And now given a discount. How much rupees discount is given? 1860 rupees product is getting for 1620. 60 rupees became 20 rupees means 40 rupees discount. 1800 became 1600 means 240 rupees given discount. How much rupees discounted? 240 rupees given discount. The question wise, first discount, second discount as per the money. After that he is getting a product for 1620 rupees. The product is sold out for 1620 rupees. On that product how much rupees discounted? 240 rupees discounted. Then which is the value will be suitable here. First blank and second blank. Look at 121 plus 129 should be equal to how much? 240. Is it right or wrong? 100, 100, it is a 200. 21 plus 29 is 50. This both will be added. You will get 250, but not equal to 240. That means wrong. First discount and second discount total should be 240 is required. Next, 127 plus 113. 100 plus 100, it is a 200. 27 plus 30 is equal to 40. It is a 240. It is exactly correct. Which option is correct? Option B is correct. Except this, there is no other chance to write. Okay, 112, 118, it is a 230. It is wrong. And 118 and 137, it is more than 240. It is wrong. 134 plus 116, again it is a 250. It is also wrong. Then first case and second case, they are giving a discount of 127 and 113. Finally, the product is sold out for how much rupees? Yes, 1620. In this case of discount is 240. Next, the ratio of income of Deekshit to that Parul is 5:4, while the ratio of savings of Deekshit to Parul is 4:3. Deekshit and Parul spend 9,000 rupees and 8,000 rupees respectively. Then find the savings of Parul. Look at here the D and there is a P. And their incomes ratio is 5:4. Incomes ratio is 5:4. Next they are mentioned savings ratio. Savings ratio is 4:3. We know that from income, savings will be removed. You will get what is the result? Expenditure. Expenditure plus savings is equal to income. Okay. This is also another thing. Here, savings plus expenditure is added. You will get what is the value? Income also. Here is also you will get income. Okay. Then here 5 minus 4 is equal to 1 part. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1 part. But both sides is the parts wise is same, but money wise is not same. First person is expenditure is 9,000 rupees. And second person expenditure is 8,000 rupees. Based on this, we have to calculate. 5 3 is 15, 4 4 is 16. 16 to 15, how many parts gap? 1 part gap. Next, 4 8 is 32, 3 9 is 27. 32,000 to 27,000. 32,000 to 27,000 difference is how much? 5,000. 1 part is equal to, finally you will get how many thousand rupees? 5,000 rupees. Then 4 parts value is how much? Okay. Then 4 parts is equal to how much rupees? Here 20,000 rupees. His income is how much rupees? 20,000 rupees. Income is 20,000 rupees. Expenditure is 8,000 rupees. From 20,000, 8,000 will be removed from total salary of income. Then expenditure will be removed. You will get savings. 20,000 minus 8,000 is equal to how many thousand? 12,000. Then Parul savings is equal to 12,000 rupees. Option C. Next, the radius of a cylinder is 14 centimeter and the radius of the height of the cylinder is 2:3. Here, what is the value of the cylinder? Volume formula is what? Pi r square h. Pi r square h. Volume of the cylinder formula is what? Pi r square h. Then we have to substitute the values. Pi we can write 22/7 into cylinder radius clearly mentioned 14 centimeter. 14 into 14. We need height. Height, how do you calculate? Look at radius is 2 parts, then height is 3 parts. 2 parts is equal to 14, then 3 parts is equal to how much? 21. Substitute the 21 here. Okay. 7 to 21, how many times? 3 times. 14 the value is 196. 14 the value is 196. This 196 is multiplied to 3. 3 to the value is 6. Here 22 you can write 11 into 2. 3 to the is 6. The 6 will be multiplying to 196. Okay. 206 the value is 1200. Okay. 206 the value is 1200. From 1200 we have to remove the 6 4 the 24. From 1200 24 will be removed. There is one of the procedure. Otherwise, calculation wise 2 3 is 6, 6 6 is multiplied. 6 6 is 36, carry forward is 3. 6 9 is 54, 54 plus 3 is equal to 57, carry forward is 5 now. Then 6 1 is 6, 6 plus 1 value is 11. Okay. 1176 is multiplied with 11 now. Here 6 plus 7 is 13, carry forward is 1. Then 7 plus 1 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9 and 1 is 2 and 1. Then finally answer is 12,936. 12,936 means option A. Next, Raman deposited 3 different sums of money in 3 different banks in the 4:7:10, which gives the simple interest 6%, 8%, 10% respectively for how many years? 3 years. If the total interest obtained by him is how much rupees? 10,800 rupees. Here the 10,800 rupees is a 3 years value. 1 year value is how much? 10,800 by 3 value. Then 3 3 is 9, 3 6 is 18. It is a 3,600 rupees is the interest for 1 year. Next, 4 parts of invested for how much percentage? 6 percentage. 4 6 is how much percentage? 24 percentage. Plus next part is 7 parts. 7 parts is invested 8 percentage. 7 8 is how much percentage? 56 percentage. Plus next 10 how much percentage? 100 percentage. This is a interest. Percentage wise interest is equal to money of the interest 3,600 rupees. Then 56 plus 24 is equal to 80. 80 plus 100 is equal to 180%. This total value is how much percentage? 180%. 180% is equal to 3,600 rupees. Then 180% is equal to 3,600 rupees. 100% is equal to value. 100% is equal to value. 100% is equal to how much? 180 to 180 1 180 2 Then 1% is equal to 20. Then 100% is equal to how much rupees? 2,000 rupees. How much rupees? 2,000 rupees here. Then 2,000 rupees. This is a 100%. You can take like 100% is equal to 1 part. 100% is equal to 1 part. We need to calculate for total parts. Total parts is how much? 4 plus 7 is 11. 11 plus 10 is equal to 21 parts. 21 parts is equal to required. 100% is equal to just 1 part. But we required all parts. All parts is equal to how much? 21 parts. 21 parts we have to calculate. 21 2s. 21 2s is equal to how much? 42 and extra 3 zeros. It is a total invest by him 42,000. Option C. Next. The interior angle of a rectangular polygon is 90 degrees more than the interior angle of another rectangular polygon. What is the difference between the number of sides of the two polygons? The interior angle of a regular polygon. Interior angle of a regular polygon means you can take like 180 minus 360 degrees by n. Okay. Basically the formula for what? Interior angle of 1. Next, here how many degrees more? 90 degrees more. Then interior angle of a regular polygon is how many degrees more? 90 degrees more than the interior angle of another regular polygon. Then here is 180 minus 360 degrees by n minus 2. Here is how many degrees more? 90 degrees more. Here is 180, 180 will be cancelled. Okay. This 360 by n will come in here. 360 by n2 minus 360 by n1 is equal to how much? 90. And here we can write n1 minus n2 by n2 into n1 or n1 into n2 is equal to 90 by this 360 will be taken common and coming to the denominator. Here is 0, 0 will be cancelled. Then don't cancel thoroughly. n1 minus n2 by n2 into n1 is equal to finally what is the value will get? 36. There are two polygons are there. The polygon sides are first polygon side and second polygon side both are multiplied, it is a 36. And first polygon to second polygon sides difference is how much? 9. Okay, both will be multiplied 36, both subtracted it is 9. What was the suitable number? We have a suitable number is 12 into 3 and next one is 12 minus 3. First polygon is 12 side, second polygon is 3. Least polygon is the contains the number of sides equilateral triangle, that is just a triangle only. Okay, then highest polygon with more than 90 degrees with difference is 90 degrees means the highest polygon is what? 12 here comparing to triangle. Then 12 minus 3 is 9, 12 into 3 is equal to 36. Then n1 minus n is equal to 9, n into n1 is equal to 36. Here the difference between their polygons is how much? Polygon sides is equal to 9. 9 means option A. Here next we have a statement based questions. Out of these statements, which is the statement is perfect, we have to assign it. Here ABC are hired to certain piece of work in 4,200. All of them started working together and finished the work in 20 days. Okay, look at their work in 20 days. In how many days B alone can complete the work here? Then 4,200. 4,200 purpose they are all are paid for how many days? 20 days. Statement 1 and statement 2. We need to calculate in how many days B alone can complete the work. Okay. Look at the statement 1. A received 1,400 rupees for his work. C alone complete the work in how many days? 50 days. Observe that B alone value is required. From A plus B plus C, B alone required means we have to remove the whose alone? A value, C value removed from the A plus B plus C, you will get B alone value. Okay. That is the easy condition. For that, C alone value already we know. C alone will be completed. Total work is how many days? 50 days. But we required A. A alone will be completed work in how many days? That is we required. Look at total money is 4,200. Total money is how much? 4,200. In this A portion is how much? 1,400. This is for this 4,200 for how many days? 20 days. For 1,400 purpose, how many days A worked? A got 1,400 means how many days worked? A's working time you will get. A working time. Then cancel the numbers here. 0000 cancel. 2 to 14 how many times? 7 times. 7 how many times? 6 times. Then 60 days. A alone will be completed full work in how many days? 60 days. From statement 1 clearly you know A alone will be completed work in 60 days. C alone will be completed work in 50 days. A plus B plus C all together completed work in how many days? 20 days. From this 20 days value, 60 value, 50 value will be removed. You will get B alone time. That means statement 1 is exactly working to finding an answer. No need to depend on statement 2 now, till now. Now look at the statement 2 also individually. Statement 2, A is 25% more efficient than B. C received how much rupees? 1680 rupees for work. Same concept here. Now statement 2 and question both are club it. C received a 1680 for his work. How much rupees? 1680. Then 4,200 by 1680. This money is get by 20 days purpose. Then simplify the values here. Then here 0 will be cancelled. 2 how many times? 2 8 ja and 2 8 ja. Remaining is 2 4 ja. 42 1 ja and 42 2 ja. 100 by 4 is equal to how many days? 50 days. C alone will be get from the statement 2. This is about statement 1 and this is about statement 2. Statement 2 wise C alone value will get 50. From A plus B plus C total working time is how much? 20 days. From 20 days 50 days will be removed. C value will be removed. You will get A plus B value. But A plus B time you know, A plus B efficient value also you know. You can easily get the value of B alone time and A alone time also. But as per the question they need the B alone time. You can easily get with statement 2 also. No need to depend on statement 1. That means we will get final answer statement 1 or statement 2. Statement 1 or statement 2. Then statement 1 or statement 2 means then focus the value either or. Then the data either statement 1 alone or statement 2 alone. Then option C. Option C is the correct here. Next question. The age of the three friends Deepak, Dikshit and Diksha is x minus 5 years, x plus 5 years, x plus 3 years respectively. Find the age of Dikshit. Here they are mentioning two statements. Based on these two statements, we have to solve the questions. We require the Dikshit age. For that, you can use the statement 1, statement 2. Which is the statement is useful to getting an answer. Sometimes two statements are useful. Sometimes alone one statement, second statement is also useful. Then as per the given one, here the average age of, look at the statement 1. Average age of Deepak and Diksha. Deepak age value is x minus 5 plus and Diksha. Diksha is the last person. Then x plus 3 by 2 is equal to how many years less? X minus 17 years less than the average of Dikshit and Diksha taken together. Dikshit is the second person. X plus 5 plus Diksha. Diksha will be take last person x plus 3 by 2 is how much less? X minus 17. Okay. Now x minus 5 by 2. This is we can write x by 2 also. X by 2 minus 5 by 2 plus x by 2 plus 3 by 2 is equal to, here is also x by 2 plus 5 by 2 plus x by 2 plus 3 by 2. You can observe that x by 2, 3 by 2, x by 2, 3 by 2, LHS, RHS both will be cancelled. Here is x by 2 cancel, here is also x by 2 cancel, minus x minus 17 will be there. And plus 5 by 2 is coming to the left side. It is also minus 5, minus 5, minus 5. It is a minus 10 by 2, minus 10 by 2 become a minus 5. Minus 5 is equal to minus x, x minus 17. Here is minus minus cancel. X is equal to what is the you will get? 17 you will get. Once you know the x value, you can easily determine what was the age value is required. Dikshit age. Dikshit age is equal to x plus 5. Then 17 plus 5 is equal to how many years? 21 years. Then Dikshit age exactly we are getting 21 years. This is about statement 1. That means as per the given condition, statement 1 is true to getting a final answer. As it is, we have to check the statement 2 now. Statement 2. Statement 2 wise, the average of Deepak and Dikshit. Deepak and Dikshit means first and second person. X minus 5 plus x plus 5 by 2 is equal to, taken together is 4 years less than the average age of Dikshit and Diksha. Average age of Dikshit and Diksha. Dikshit and Diksha means second and third person. X plus 5 plus x plus 3 years by 2. How many years less? 4 years less. Okay. Now you can write x by 2 minus 5 by 2, x by 2 plus 5 by 2 is equal to x by 2 plus 5 by 2 plus x by 2 plus 3 by 2 minus 4. You can observe the value x by 2, x by 2, x by 2, x by 2 will be cancelled. All x by 2 and 5 by 2 is also cancelled. All the x value will be cancelled. What is the value will be going to calculating. Okay, that means we are unable to solve the x value with statement 2. Without knowing the x value, we are unable to guess the Dikshit answer. Okay, that means statement 2 is exactly wrong and not helpful to getting an answer. Only statement 1 is required to finding an answer. Okay, then answer is only statement 1. The data in the statement 1 alone are sufficient to getting an answer the question, while the data in statement 2 alone are not sufficient to answer the question. Option A. Next one. There are two trains A and B. Find the length of the train. Train A length is required. Then statement 1 and statement 2. Statement 1 wise. Train A crosses a man standing on the platform, and the platform itself in how many seconds? 10 seconds. A man crossed in, otherwise man crossed means nothing but train crossed. Okay, this is, you can consider train itself, it is crossed in 10 seconds. Train plus platform in how many seconds? Here 24 seconds. Same train crosses a platform in 24 seconds. Same train crossed a man means man length will become a 0. Then man value I am cancelled, I am taking the train length. Then train will be crossed in how many seconds? 10 seconds. The same train will be crossed in second position and first position. Here to here is a how many seconds more? 14 seconds more. Why 14 seconds extra? Because comparing to man, platform is so much bigger. That's why it's taking more time. How many seconds more? 14 seconds more. 14 seconds is equal to how many length of the train will be, how much length of the platform is going to crossing? 350 meters. 14 seconds is equal to 350 meters. Then 7 2s are 7 5s are. 7 2s are and 7 5s are is cancelled. Then here the value wise here 2 seconds is equal 50 meters. 2 seconds is equal 50 meters means 1 second is equal 25 meters. 1 second is equal 25 meters means then 10 seconds is equal to how many meters? 250 meters. That means statement 1 is clearly giving an answer. Train A length. This is the statement 1, it's giving. Next we have to check the statement 2. Train A crosses a train B in 40 seconds, 8 seconds while running in the same direction and opposite direction respectively. Train A, I will take A. Train B will take train B. Both are cross each other in how many seconds? 8 seconds. Here the same direction, S1 minus S2. First train A speed I am taking S1. Train B speed is I am taking S2. How many seconds? 8 seconds. Next, A plus B. Two trains length should be added because the next time it's going to here 8 seconds and 40 seconds. This is will take 40 seconds. It will be take how many seconds? 40 seconds. First case 40 seconds. Next case 8 seconds and S1 plus S2. Of course, when the relative speed is added, compulsory it will take is a less time. And length of the train A is same. Length of the both the trains are same. That means A plus B is equal to same. A plus B is equal to same means you will get 2A. And what about the S1 and S2? Without knowing the S1 and S2, we are unable to solve the question. If they are mentioned B is 50% more than speed than A also, you will get combinations. Combination means look at A value X means B value is Y. X. X plus X become a 2X. You will get 2X. And S1 you are assuming 50% more than the speed A means here you can take 50% more. 50% more 3:2. Here is also one letter you can assume it. Here the Y combination, X combination you will generate. Without knowing the A comma B, S1, S2 we are unable to solve. X comma Y also unable to solve. That means statement 2 is wrong to getting an answer. Compulsory you need the speeds to finding an answer. Speed to finding an answer. You can observe that A train length is assumed X. Then automatically B train length is also become X. X plus X is equal to X by S1 minus S2. train B is 50% more than speed of train A and B. We can write the speeds ratio. What is the ratio? 3:2. When 50% is more means if it is 100%, it is 150%, 150 and 100 both will be cancelled with 50, 53s and 52s. Now you can substitute the speeds. S1 is belongs to 2x. Okay, then always relative speed wise highest speed minus lowest speed you can take. You can take 3y minus 2y is equal to 40, and next you will generate here is 2x and 3y plus 2y is equal to how much? 8. Okay, then here 3y minus 2y is equal to y. 2x and 2 to 40 how many times? Here the 20 times. Here 20 times. Next x by y is equal to what is the value you will get? 20 you will get. Here is 2x. 2 how many times? 4 and x by 5y. 5 will be multiplied here. X by y is equal to you will get again 20. Then again you will get a same values. X by y is equal to 20. X by y is equal to 20. Then you will getting a x value is what, y value is what. We are unable to solve here. Okay. When you are unable to solve, that means then we are not getting a perfect answer with statement 2. That is declared without solving this also. Okay. Then only we have to depends on the statement 1. Then final answer is statement 1 alone is clear to getting an answer. Then which option is correct? Option A is correct. Option A is correct. Next. Here 196, here the statement 1, here the statement 2. It is also statement based question. A bag contains red balls. Red balls are x plus 2. And next, violet balls, here x plus 4. And pink balls x plus 6. Pink balls are x plus 6. Find the total number of balls. Look at the statement 1. Statement 1. The probability of drawing a red ball. Red ball is how much? X plus 2 out of total balls. X plus x, 3x plus 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12 is equal to what is the value? 1 by 4. If you are solving this, compulsory you will get x value. Check it. 4 into x value is 4x. 4 into 2 value is 8 and 3x plus 12. 4x minus 3x is equal to x. 12 minus 8 is equal to 4. Once you have a 4x value, you can easily expect that what was the number of balls is required. Find the total balls means 3x plus 2. 3x plus is the total balls. Then 3 into 4 is 12. 12 plus 12 is equal. Total is how many number of balls are there? 24 balls are there. With the help of the statement 1, we are getting an answer. As it is, we have to check the statement 2. Okay. The probability of drawing a violet ball is what? Okay. Violet ball is 1 by 3. Violet ball we can take x plus 4. X plus 4. Violet balls are selection out of total balls. Total balls is how much? 3x plus 2. X plus x plus x. 3x plus 6 plus 4 plus 2. It is a 12. It is equal to what is the value? 1 by 3. Cross multiply here. 3 into x value 3x and 3 into 4 is equal to 12. Is equal to 3x plus 12. And LHS, RHS both will be equalized. Then we are unable to solving and getting a x value. Without knowing the x value, we are unable to guess the what was the red balls, what was the white balls, what was the here the violet balls and pink balls. That means we are unable to get the total balls also. Then statement 2 is totally wrong and its information is not enough to finding an answer. Here is also you should just go for here simple. The data in statement 1 alone is getting an answer. Option A is the correct. Option A is the correct. Let's check the next one. A man deposited equal amount of money to schemes A and B. After 2 years, the simple interest obtained from scheme B is 288 rupees more than the simple interest obtained from scheme A. Scheme A and scheme B. Scheme A and scheme B. Scheme A is invested X rupees. Scheme B is also invested X rupees. This is how many years? It is 2 years. It is 2 years. Here the rate of interest is R1. Here the rate of interest is R2. And it is 100. PTR by 100. It is also PTR by 100. Then deposited equal amount with different rate of interest. That's why it's getting a more interest by here interest opted from scheme B is how much rupees more? 288 rupees more. Then it is getting a 288 rupees more means this 288 will be removed from the B. It is equal to A value. Okay. One equation is generated from the given data. Find the interest offered by scheme A. We need to calculate scheme A interest. Now focus. Statement 1 and statement 2. Statement 1. The interest obtained by scheme B is how much rupees? 864. This total value is 864. Okay. 864 minus 288, we focusing on statement 1, and x into 2 into R1 by 100. Then if you are solving this also, what about the x value, what was the rate of interest value? Now need to calculate x value purpose, compulsory you need rate of interest. Rate of interest is not mentioned, that means statement 1 is not helpful to getting an answer. Go for the statement 2. Statement 2 wise, the rate of simple interest offered by scheme A and scheme B are in the ratio, what is the ratio? 2:3. 2:3 means here x into 2 into R1. R1 you can write 2:3 means 2y, 2 parts, and it is 100. It is equal to x into 2 into here the 3y, 3 parts, 3y by 100 minus 288. Here 3 by x, 2 by x will be generated. Okay, here is also we are unable to solve. What about the y value? They are mentioned the ratio, but they are not mentioned a percentage. We require compulsory percentage value for the rate of interest. Without knowing that, we are unable to solve. Statement 2 is also not helpful to getting an answer. Statement 1 is also not helpful to getting an answer. Then we can go with the none of the above. The data in statement 1 no, statement 2 is not, the data either statement no, then the data given both the statement 1 and 2 are not sufficient. Not sufficient, then both the two statements are information is and together is also not sufficient to getting an answer. Option D is correct. Next we have a number series. Out of this number series we have to finalize the odd-man number. Here 20 became a 22 means how much added? 2 added. 22 became a 28 means 6 added. 28 became a 47. 28 became a 47. 28 became a 47 means how much added? Here 8 became a 7, 19 added. And 47 became a 112. 47 became a 112 means 7 became a 12 means 5 added. 5 added. And 7 plus 5 is 12. And 12 we can add it. 53 added na, it is become a 100. 53 plus 12, it is a 65. And next 112 became a 376. 2 became a 6 means 4 added. And 1 became a 7 means 6 added. 1 became a 3 means 2 added. Then we'll focus the values. Here is different logic is there. Look at 2 you can write 4 to the power of 0 plus 1. 4 to the power of 0 plus 1. Next 6 you can write 4 square minus 2. You can write 4 square minus 2. And 19 you can write 4 cube plus 3. 4 cube plus 3. 4 cube plus 3. Here is it is a plus 1. It is a 4 to the power of 1. 4 to the power of 1 and 4 to the power of 2. 4 to the power of 0 plus 1, it is a 2. 4 to the power of 1 plus 2, it is a 6. 4 to the power of 2 plus 3. Okay, till now. Next, here 4 to the power of 0, 4 to the power of 1, 4 to the power of 2 means next we can write 4 to the power of 3. 4 to the power of 3 value 64. Then we can add it 4, it is become a 68. But next number they mentioned 65. That means instead of 65, we have to replace with what is the number 68. 47 plus 68, not 112. 47 plus 68, not 112. It is become a 115. Original number is actual number is 115. Then wrong number is 112. Option A is a correct. Option A is a correct. Next, 26, 66, 122, 220, 336 and 512. When you are observing the closely questions, you can easily get the values. Here 3 cube minus 1. 3 cube value is 27, 27 minus 1 value is 26. Next 4 cube plus 2. 4 cube plus 2. 4 cube value is 64. 64 plus 2 is equal to 66. Next 5 cube minus 3. 125 minus 3 value is 122. Next should be what? 6 cube plus 4. 6 cube value is 216. 216 plus 4 value 220. Next, what is the number expecting? 7 cube minus 3. 343. From 343, 3 will be removed. You will get 340 only, not 336. Then wrong number is what? 336 is the wrong. Option D is the correct. Next, let's check the differences. 17 became a 45. 17 became a 45 means what is the number? 28. And 45 became a 87 means number is added 42. 87 became a 147. What is the number added? 60 added. 147 became a 213. 7 became a 13 means compulsory added what is the number? 6. Okay. And here 14 became a 21 means what is the number added? 66. 66 added. Is it right? 66 or 76? Here 6 plus 7 is 13. 13 and 14 plus 1 exactly 66. Next 213 became a 217. 97. 3 became a 7 means 4 added. 1 became a 9 means 8 added. 2 became a 2 0. Then 84 added. Is it right or wrong? what is the value? Look at 28 to 42 difference is 14. What is the difference? 14. Then constantly you can make the difference is 14. We'll get a logic here. 14. When you're making 14, here the value is not 60. Here the value is 56. Again you can make the 14. 14 you can make it. It is a value is not 66. It is a value is 60. Again you can add it 14. You will get to 84. That means these numbers are misleaded. Then 56 should be added. Here 60 should be added. First number should be wrong. 87 plus 56 not 147. 87 plus 56 not 147. 80 plus 56 is equal to 137 plus 6 is equal to 13. It is a 143. 143. Correct number is 143. Wrong number is 147. Option B is the correct. Option B is the correct.